Welcome. In this quick and simple guide, you'll learn exactly how to add a post to your bookmarks on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. The new update has made the interface cleaner and smoother. So whether you're saving a funny post, an inspiring thread, or important information you don't want to lose, this process will only take a few seconds. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your computer. If you're using a web browser, just go to the official X website and log into your account with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your home feed, where you'll see all the latest posts from people you follow. Next, scroll through your timeline or use the search bar at the top to find the post you want to save. You can also go directly to someone's profile if you remember who made the post. Once you've found it, look underneath the post where you'll see a few familiar icons, the comment bubble, the repost arrows, the heart, and a small icon that looks like a bookmark. Now click on that bookmark icon. The moment you click it, it'll turn solid, confirming that the post has been added to your bookmarks. That's it. The post is saved privately to your account, and no one else can see what you've bookmarked. Whenever you want to access your saved posts, just look to the left-hand side of the X homepage on PC. Under the main menu, click on Bookmarks to open your personal collection. From there, you can view, enjoy, or remove any saved posts whenever you want. Bookmarking is a great way to keep track of things that matter to you, whether you're researching, collecting ideas, or simply saving content you love for later. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to add a post to your bookmarks on X using the new update for PC.